Postman is a very handy tool for development and testing of APIs. In this video, we will see how we can install Postman on Windows 10 operating system. Open your browser and search Postman. Click on this link from postman.com, which is the Postman official website. You can see Postman download links for different operating systems. Click on the Windows icon since we are interested in Postman for Windows. Now we are on the Download Postman for Windows page. Click on Windows 64-bit button. This will start downloading Postman for Windows. Wait till the download is finished. Once the download is finished, open the downloaded postman.exe file. Double click to start Postman installation. Just minimize the browser. The Postman installation setup has started. You can optionally create a free Postman account by providing your details. This will allow you to use some additional Postman features. If you don't want to create a free Postman account, you can click on this link, continue without an account. We will click on this link. If you create a free Postman account, you can use these additional features of Postman. Or you can click here, open lightweight API client and continue without a Postman account. I will click on this option. You can see the Postman interface. From this drop down, you can select the type of API request. In this box, you can provide the request URL. Use this send button to send the request to API endpoint. Also, a desktop shortcut for Postman will be created. You can double click on this to start Postman. So you have learned how to download and install Postman on Windows 10 operating system. Hope you find this video useful. Thank you for watching.